Keep going, Vaughn. Okay, pay attention. The curb.
Which way?
Okay, this way. This way.
This way?
Yep, straight ahead.
Huh?
Now you have to follow Mommy.
Okay, you're good. Keep going. Follow Daddy. There's a car back here. Turn right
Okay.
that alley right there.
Mommy, spill my food.
All right, go. Go, Speed Racer.
Right at the alley, there's a car back there. Turn this way. Follow Daddy.
There is a car right there.
Okay, it's alright. Just follow Daddy.
Don't listen.
Come on.
Two down. One here.
Don't try it at home.
No. No, Daddy. He is going. He's not going home.
Okay, can you go in front of me, Vaughn?
Yeah.
You're a good bicyclist.
Yeah, I'm good at bicyclist. I'm the leader, Daddy.
You sure are.
Hey, can we have that?
Okay.
Mommy,
Just watch where you're going, okay? Thanks.
it's okay, Mommy. I know where I'm going.
Okay.
You look like Lance Armstrong.
Keep going, Vaughn. Oh, jeez. Whoa, wipe out. You good? Okay.
No, Lance Armstrong, not Miss Armstrong.
Oh. Bumper bikes.